Hello everyone. In this video, we will be creating an app that help us to differentiate between two modules, which will be an admin one and an employee one, to help us understand the role-based access. But before we actually get started, we will have to build a table. So now first click on the table. Here we create a table with a blank table. Now let us name this table as roles. We add a column email ID. Now we add a new column which states the role of that ID. Now let me add my ID to this and let the role be admin. Now we click on save and exit. Once the table is created, we will start building the app. We click on app, we start with the page design, we select the black canvas. Now here, let the first screen be the landing screen of our app, so we rename it. Now let us design this. I select this color. Let me add a text label. But before we go ahead, make sure that the modern themes is enabled. We go to updates, select modern controls and themes and close. Now we add a text label. I want its color to be white and let me increase the size as well. Let it be 40. We select bold. Now let's change the text to employee management. We can have this in center aligned. Now let us add a button. Delete one button. Let me just fit this in the screen. We name it as login. We will later change it as per the module. Let me increase the font size to 20, no, 30. Now let's create a new screen. We name it as the main screen. Let me add a header to it. This is an already existing control. We change the title to Employee Management Screen. So this is not a screen, so I'll just remove this and change it to maybe app. We change the icon as well. Okay, this looks better now. Now let me add container to this screen. This will help us containerize the application, making it look better. Resize it, add text to it, and let me change the size 30 and semi bold. So instead of this, let me use the welcome, and instead of the email ID, I would like to have the role. But before that, we will have to add the data to the app that we just created. So click on data, add data, and this is the roles table that we just created. Now let me put a lookup over here. So we look up in the roles data table and we search where the email ID is equal to the current logged in user's ID. So we will be getting its role from that table. And let me fix this. So there are 2 brackets. Yes, it has been fixed now, and let me add an exclamation mark as well. So it says welcome admin because my current role was admin. Now let me save the app. Let me name it as role based app. Now on the main page, I will implement the logic of how the text should look like. So if the logged in user is an admin, it should display login, admin login, otherwise it should display employee login. So again, if we get the role of the logged in user and if it is admin, comma, it will print admin login, else it will print employee login. Now on select, so here we have 2 modules, so we can use if admin we go to this page or if employee we go to this page, but instead of that we will increase the reusability and just navigate to a single page, which is the main screen. Now we save the app and play this. So we click on admin login because we are currently logged in as admin. Now if we change the role to employee in our table, let me quickly do it. So edit this table, and instead of admin, let me put it as employee. So it will get saved automatically once we click outside. So it has been saved now. Let me go to my app now, and now it will show employee login. So it says employee login. Let me just fix it. Yes, it looks better now. Play employee login, and it says welcome employee. Thank you everyone. See you in the next video.